So let's begin with some models to fix, and this is Edward. Edward is Mattel and it does have a broken coupling and heavy corrosion. I'll begin removing the battery contacts. This needs a little cleaning. This one definitely I'm gonna replace. I'm gonna put a new replacement. At least Edward is working. 2 battery contacts ready for Edward, but let me tell you, I don't like the decals, so I'm going to turn this Edward into Furnace Railway Edward. Okay, decals are gone. Okay, here is what's going on. The plan was to fix and repair these Edwards, but since I have 4, 5, I am going to turn them into a Furnace Railway Edward Customs. This one, battery contact, good. What? Broken, but we have a replacement. No problem. Good. Yeah, let's turn all this into a Furnace Railway. Now, these are Tomy. Hitachi Company, and Hitachi Company. Now only have one Mattel, and let's get this ready for paint. Here is the first Edward. All right. Now I need to clean and prepare for paint. All right, guys, I had to skip the process. I'm just gonna post the video as it is right now and give you an update later. So I need to finish these models.